People often overlook how connected we are to water here. Poor water quality really limits what species can thrive, but we're making great strides in putting wetlands back in the landscape. For us, connecting people to taking care of their watersheds, removing litter is so visual and so impactful, and it brings them down to the waterways. So being able to connect people with ways to enjoy it and ways to, protect our rivers, really I think is starting that conversation or starting to spark that interest in the habitat and the watersheds of Lake Erie. I think that's one of the strengths in Northwest Ohio, that the environmental organizations here are really closely working together. Water to me is central to the region as a whole and to bringing it together as a people and, as an environment.